Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful features, conditional formatting. If you want to make your data more insightful and visually appealing, this is the tool for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to apply various conditional formatting techniques to your data tables with ease. Let's get started. Let's take a look at a sample data table to understand how it works. Here we have a sample data table with sales data for different regions and products. We have columns for region, product, sales, and target. Let's use this data to explore some conditional formatting options. First, let's use the highlight cells rules. This allows you to highlight cells based on their values. For example, we can highlight sales values that are greater than 150. Select the sales column. Go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells Rules and Greater Than. Enter 150 and choose a formatting style. Click OK. As you can see, the cells with sales greater than 150 are now highlighted, making it easy to identify high performers. Next, let's use data bars to visually represent the sales values. Data bars add a gradient fill to the cells, where the length of the bar represents the value. Select the Sales column. Go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting. Choose Data Bars. Select a color. Now, each cell in the Sales column has a bar indicating its value. This makes it easy to compare the sales figures at a glance. Another useful option is color scales, which apply a color gradient to the cells. This helps to quickly visualize the range of values. Select the Sales column. Click on Conditional Formatting. Choose Color Scales. Select a color scale. With color scales, the highest values are highlighted in one color and the lowest in another, with gradient colors in between. This provides a clear view of the distribution of your data. Now another is icon sets, which adds icons to cells based on their values. This is particularly useful for performance metrics, like sales versus target. Select the Sales column. Click on Conditional Formatting. Choose Icon Sets. Select an icon set. Now, each sales value is accompanied by an icon indicating its performance. You can quickly see which regions are hitting their targets and which are falling short. Finally, let's create a custom conditional formatting rule to highlight cells where sales are less than the target. This will help us identify underperforming products. Select the range from sales and target columns. Click on Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula equals C2 greater than D2, assuming sales in column C and target in column D. Click Format, choose a fill color, and click OK. Now, any sales value that is less than the target is highlighted, making it easy to spot where improvements are needed. That's it for today's tutorial on Excel conditional formatting. These tools will help you make your data more interactive and insightful. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.